it's Nicole with Level Up, and if you really want to take your terp game to the next level, these are the products for you. You might even hear your neighbors say, "Carl, did you hit a skunk again?" Terpenes are responsible for the smell, taste, and even color of your flower. In essence, terpenes are the reason different strains smell and taste different from each other. Terpinator is the original terpene and resin enhancer. It increases terpene production, which increases aroma and flavor. It can be used with any nutrient regimen and is compatible with soil, hydro, and soilless media. Perpinator also activates the pathways for trichome and terpene production. In addition, it's specifically designed to increase the color production of cultivars with purple phenotypes. Both of these products contain no heavy metals and no PGRs, and you can find them at levelupgardensupply.com or come see us at either of our locations in East Peoria or Springfield. And always remember, money doesn't grow on trees. That is a lie. Level Up, Seed and Garden Supply.